Welcome back. You can also record audio using your Windows 10 OS. What you'll need to do is to go to the search bar. You'll then write in voice recorder. You'll see the Microsoft Store app. You'll click voice recorder. You'll have a basic voice recorder available to you. And all you'll need to do is you'll need to click the mic in order to record. And once your audio is recorded, you can highlight the audio. You can then click this button. You can rename the audio. You can also trim the audio. And you can decide on where you want the trim to take place. And then click the Save button. You can save a copy or you can leave the original. In this case, we'll save a copy. And then we can rename the copy. And that's how you can use your Windows operating system in order to create audio content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.